Hello everyone, my name is Haley K Shah and I secured 98.26 percentile in Neet exam and I've been a student of Gplus education since the past 2 years and Gplus education has helped me a lot, especially in my gap year and I would like to thank all the faculty members as well as the administration staff for being really grateful to all the members of it and Gplus is such an organization which is selfless and is helping every student. They are working hours and hours, and this sincerity and dedication I have not seen in any other teachers, of course. The ones I've met. And even when I had a phase when I was very depressed about my results and stuff, so I talked to both my teachers, Somnath sir and Devashi sir, and they helped me not just like a teacher but as a friend and a mentor, which is very good. People generally are afraid to talk to their teachers, but they are very supportive in each and everything. So, thank you, Gplus, and all the best for the future.
Thank you.